Oh, there's like a magnetic. That's cool. Just like that. Okay. So right off the bat, there's like this little bulge here. What is that? I guess. Smells like leather. Feels. I guess since it's glazed, feels a little weird. And here's the. You could separate the bills, like international and then home country right here. International and then home country. It says Gnome and Bow right here. And there's this little gap I noticed right here. Little gap. Just to let the money breathe or something. Oh, hey. There's like, if you look right here, it's like a golden finish inside. That's kind of cool. But right here. Now this is a white finish. Okay, how about on this side? Same. There's like a golden finish and then a white finish. So you could do 4 cards. 1, 2, and then there's also this inside and this inside. So 1, 2, and then a couple, like 2 or 3 here. 1, 2. And then 2 or 3 here. And then you open it, you get different different bills. And then here, I don't know if you could see it, there's a spot for the SIM card and SIM card remover, which I don't personally need. This is what I kind of really wanted, was this coin flap. Whenever I get loose coins, I hate them rolling around. So at least here, they'll be in a safe location. So that's that. That's the wallet. 125, 128, one of those for this. I hope it ages well. Let's put some stuff in it. Let's see. Just put it all in here. Oh, tight fit. It's a tight fit. That's okay. What else do I got? Cards are not identifiable. Best Buy, Tesla, Costco. So let's put the Costco here. Alright. Tesla here. Alright. Best Buy here. Is there a... That's it. Okay. Close it. Still pretty good. Still pretty good. Not too shabby. It's got the red thread there and there. So no one would know that this is an expensive wallet. And I think over $100 is expensive. It says top grain leather, but I really can't tell the difference from my old wallet right here from Belroy, which I really love, but as you can see, it's really, really dirty, and that's why I switched it out. Top grain leather, as they say, it has top grain leather. This mishap in stitching is kind of bugging me though. You see how there's this bulge right there? It's so weird. I don't know if I can just live on with that. Even when they're closed, it still shows. It's a bulge. And that's it, fully closed. for an expensive wallet, it's not as cool as I thought it would be. Might just go back to Belroy. Gnome and bow. I do like the double money thing here, even though I don't travel a lot. I don't really necessarily need to have to split different international bills, but I could do like the ones on one side, my dollar bills on one side, and like my 20s on the other side, you know. Where's the one? There. So like, I'm kind of disappointed, honestly.